Here's what you need to know about what is NFV. This is an exam topic in Domain 2. Network Infrastructure. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. Network functions. Virtualization NFV replaces dedicated hardware appliances with software running on standard servers. Functions like firewalls, load balancers, and routers become virtual instances instead of physical boxes. NFV works alongside SDN to make networks more flexible, scalable, and cost-effective. Key concept: virtual network functions. A virtual network function, VNF, is a software version of a network service. Instead of buying a physical firewall, you deploy a firewall VNF on a standard server. Key concept: reduces hardware costs. Traditional networks need separate physical devices for each function. NFV consolidates them onto shared commodity hardware, cutting capital and operational costs significantly. Key concept: fast scalability. New VNFs can be spun up in minutes using software. Need more firewall capacity? Spin up another instance. No hardware ordering or rack installation needed. Key concept: NFV versus SDN relationship. SDN controls how traffic flows through the network. NFV virtualizes the functions that process that traffic. They are complementary, often deployed together in modern data centers. Let's look at the full breakdown. Traditional network, dedicated physical hardware per function. Slow to deploy, weeks to months. High capital expense, vendor-specific and inflexible. NFV network, software VNFs on commodity servers. Fast to deploy, minutes. Lower cost, pay-as-you-grow, vendor-neutral and programmable. Here's a real-world example. A telecom provider used to buy physical firewall boxes from a vendor for each data center. With NFV, they now deploy firewall software as VNFs on standard x86 servers. When traffic spikes, they instantly launch more firewall instances without waiting weeks for new hardware to arrive. Quick recap before you go. 1. NFV replaces physical network hardware with software running on standard servers. 2. Virtual network functions, VNFs, include firewalls, routers, and load balancers. 3. NFV reduces hardware costs and speeds up network service deployment. 4. SDN controls traffic flow. NFV virtualizes the functions that process traffic. 5. NFV and SDN together form the foundation of modern software-defined data centers. That's what is NFV. Covered. Exam tip: NFV =sign hardware replaced by software. SDN =sign control plane separated from data plane. The exam may ask you to distinguish between them. Remember, NFV virtualizes functions, SDN controls traffic flow. Next up, what is a virtual switch? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.